What's up there, YouTube? This is the after shot of one coat of vinegar dye, the vinegar stain, the natural weather stain. You saw I brought it a little bit grayer, not very much, very light, very subtle. I may do another coat, I may not. I don't really know how I'm feeling, but also wanted to show you guys a video of how Jimbo here, hey Jimbo, come here, how Jimbo likes to, there you go, Jimbo, climb on my shoulder, come on. Here's Jimbo, and he likes to walk around the house on my shoulder. Hey Jimbo, you doing okay? Yeah. He's very nosy at times. Sometimes he likes to jump on the ceiling fan. Sometimes he likes to hang out up on our perch over our windows, the crown molding. But let's see, is that a better shot you guys can see? You doing alright, buddy? Yeah. And he definitely just is a very chill bird. Trying to see. Yeah, is that a good shot? Can you even see? I can't see. Oh, right here we go. Right, Jimbo? This is Jim. Pam does not like to hang out with me at all. Pam is very skittish. She was adopted for rescue. Sadie, you leave my birds alone. This is Jim. He's a dove, a pigeon, whatever you want to call him. But yeah. Did I just touch the screen and get this out of focus? I don't know. You're gonna go back in your cage, okay? All right, say bye. Right. Yeah, there's Pam. She does not like hanging out at all or getting out of her cage. Catch you guys later.